guess who's back? It's Antoinette Koppel, bringing you breaking news about the fit, fine, and flawless people. The website is now open for purchase, and when I say for purchase, I mean buying stuff. Hell, everybody's starting a new weight loss journey. If you're a workout fanatic and you need a kit full of shit to get healthy with, go to the website and look these up. But we got a resistance belt. Helps you maximize the gluteus. Chin strap, not for what you're thinking. Not for what you're thinking. If you got a Dublin like I do, this'll definitely help you. Don't wear it to the store, it's off-putting. You'll see it later. Jumping rope. It's not just for the kiddos. Or perhaps you're a part of the Get Snatched community. Hell, she's got something for that too. Move out of the way. We got the belly belt. Now, right now, Antoinette is suffering from a lot of bloating. Thank you, Aunt Flo. We won't be demonstrating this just yet, but just know that Mama's got one. But along with that, we got some slimming cream. You put this on to maximize your burn. If you don't want to use that, that's fine. You love sea moss? Get you some of these sea moss pills. Everybody's trying to keep that immune system cleaning up. Don't nobody want no Delta here. And if you can't get that dookie shoot on track, the Fit, Fine, and Flawless has a detox to fix that. Now this you might ask, Antoinette, have you ever used it? Absolutely. And I will tell you, it is the intestine terminator if you're not using it properly. I've been using her detox for quite some time, and when I need some movement, I like to move it. I like to move it. You get extra strength if you feel double backed up, but I get the regular. Made that mistake once. What the hell? I got shit. And if you're not sure of what exercises to do, the Fit, Fine, and Flawless has a card to help you. One side is the Get Thick Challenge, and it's probably backwards because of how I'm recording. Stay with me, people! On the other side is the Get Snatched, if you're trying to lose weight and get in shape. Click on that ad below just to let them know Antoinette Koppel sent you over there to try out some of those products. Click the link in her bio and head over to the website and support a black-owned business. This has been Breaking News with Antoinette Koppel saying peace. Until next time.